Okay, traders, I promise this is going to be the last video for the day because you're probably sick of hearing my voice, I think, right? Okay, did you buy it? Did you buy it or not? All the freaking time you want to have an opportunity where you would want to go for the dip buying and you would want to be like averaging in on low levels, but when the opportunity shows up, do you buy it or do you sell it? Just answer down just answer everything on the comments down below. I would like to know what you did with your polka dots in this dump that happened yesterday. I mean, this was a pretty neat buying opportunity coming in at the 200 simple moving average on the hourly time frame, right? Most of the opportunities happened in the hourly time frame, and you could simply start managing your polka dot risks around 23.1338 now. This level looks to me like a pretty neat collection point, like a demand point, like a lot of demand coming in at $23. So did you buy? You should have bought it. This looks to me like a good buyback, in fact. But as far as we are staying up below this diagonal trending resistance, you could come back to retest the 200 simple as well. Again, I think, right, it's something like this, and the moving average something slow like this, and the price action simply does something like this, comes back here, gets reaccumulated like this, and then just tries to make its way to the upside. So this could mean that we could be looking at some kind of consolidation for Polka until and unless we are breaking this one. Unless we're breaking this diagonal trending resistance right here. Once we start breaking above the $27 regions, and we start closing a few significant candles like 4-hour time frame, then you could talk about good price action on the Polka following up to the upside. Well, okay, now this is some trouble right here. We want to be closing a few 4-hour candles above the 21 simple on the 4-hour time frame. Until then, the price could certainly consolidate for a pretty long amount of time. Could be even a couple of days, but it looks to me like we're pretty close to it. And this price action, okay, look, price action triumphs everything. Price action is going to triumph the patterns, it's going to triumph the data, the quant data, the volumes, the moving averages as well. So price action comes first. Price action above everything. Most of the traders that I personally know succeeding in trading in 6-digit, they look at the price action. They want to be going for naked charting rather than 100 indicators up their charts, because charts are enough to tell you the psychology. And this one right here being a good buying opportunity, I can't simply repeat myself again and again, I guess. But yep, this one was an opportunity right here at 23, but I know that you didn't buy. Pretty disappointing, man. What are you doing looking at my videos every single day if you're not buying on these opportunities? Yeah, just let me know in the comments down below if I'm not really precise and clear with my analysis, so that I could help you out in a better way to catch up with the market, maybe. I don't really have much to talk about Mr. Polkadot, as this one being an opportunity right here. If you lose this level, then yeah, certainly you could talk about some further downside action coming in at $18 to $20 regions, actually retest of those levels. If that starts happening, then yep, Polkadot could get into a long form of consolidation, probably ranging for months in these levels, and hovering and making a squeeze in these zones around $30 to $20 regions. But until we are getting price actions like this, like where you are not buying, you just simply float to the upside right here. The RSI being extremely oversold when this happened. RSI coming all the way at 30. Yep, I mean, these points, just simply look at the RSI and how these points have been major buying opportunities, man. Things can't be clearer than this. But well, now I'm sure when the price action comes down like this, you must be pretty afraid as to what to do, because you are thinking of putting your entire money into one single asset. That's why you're fucking scared. That's why you're scared. Had you been just like adjusting 10% to maybe, okay, 10% is also a lot for Mr. Polkadot. if you're adjusting 5 to 10% of your equity into these kind of trades, then you'll be not afraid. All right, then don't try to run, don't try to oversmart the market, because you'll not be able to do that. Well, had you been just risking around 5 to 6% of your equity, of your trading equity right here, then it would have been non-stressful. But I'm sure you must have been thinking about going all in on these levels. That's why you didn't buy. That's why you were scared. Like, it's all in or nothing. It is all in or nothing. Don't have that mindset. It's not going to help you out in the long run. And I'm here to build you guys as a long-term traders. All right, we have to become good at this. Okay, everybody gets good at this together. Cryptoeducator has to be the most sophisticated trading community coming in at every single platform. We have to do this. We have to freaking do this. So, well, how do you do this? By simply making a community like this, like simply try to engage with each other. Like, okay, my bad that I've not created a Discord/Telegram channel yet, but I think this is what is going to happen this week. We get into a Telegram kind of situation right here, and then we speak, when we talk, we share charts, and most likely manage our risks also in real time, right? In real time, as most of you guys must have been shitting your pants when this one happened right here. It should not happen in the future. It would certainly not happen in the future if you are constantly connected throughout these channels. Anyway, much of rambling right here. If you're going to be breaking a few higher time frame closures above the 27 zones, 27.9, 28 to be honest, the round figure, then you are looking at some immediate continuation move to the upside. And this was a scam dump right here. They took your coins, man. They're gone. Dot against BTC real quick. What do we have here? Yes, similar kind of structure. Major buying opportunity coming in at this horizontal trading support. Every goddamn thing was a buying opportunity, guys. Did you buy it? Or did you sell because you were over leveraged in the market? Just let me know everything in the comment down below. Let me know whatever happened to you yesterday in 24-hour cycle. Just share it with everybody so that we discuss it, we talk about it. Just fill out the comment box right here, right? Okay, so that would be pretty nice to engage with all of you guys like that. Let me know what exactly happened to you on this dump. But this one again proving to be an opportunity, right? So on .btc as well, you could start managing your risks around this week, which is going to be 50,000 satoshis, and when the major risk management point being this one. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna simply do something like this, and I'm gonna simply make a huge box, a huge triangle right here. This is your area of liquid interest. This is your support. This is where the buyers are stepping in, and this is quite not aligning with 200 simple, but yeah, if I do something like this, now this is going to be aligning with the 200 simple 4-hour time frame, 200 simple, and this box right here is your key risk management zone. If you are closing candles below it, then we can talk about consolidation, then we can talk about prices going to the downside, basically to shit, to zero. Okay, until then I don't think much is happening. I think it is just going to get bought again and again, and this is provingly looking good. I mean, this is looking good as a reaccumulation phase before a further explosion to the upside on Mr. Polkadot right here. Now I'm certainly bullish on this one, because these price action, you don't get to see them all the time, and whenever you do, you should capitalize, man. You should capitalize, because these are good opportunities right here. Anyway, this candle right here, I mean the 3-day candle was certainly a rejection of the prices above, but kind of poking above it is also a positive sign, and ultimately closing green is yet another good sign. So you poked above it, there was no liquidity, nobody was selling right here, and then you closed below this entire area on a green candle, which is good. Nothing wrong about it. As far as the candles are closing green on 3-day time frame, it's just going to go up against every single pair. Dot against Ethereum real quick. How is this one doing? This one, yep, looks to me like another buying opportunity for this one right here. And well, this is the point where I convert all of my Ethereum into DOT. Not a financial advice. Can't be a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who's rambling over the internet, guys. I'm not gonna advise you financially. I'm just gonna help you, give you some education. That's all I can do. Anyway, this one being an opportunity right here on the Ethereum pair as well. Let's check out what the extreme small time frames look like during this dump. Yep, the 21 simple on the 12-hour time frame looking neat, getting picked up, getting collected, and the closure is about to happen. By the time this video is up, you would want to be seeing some follow through on DOT against Ethereum to the upside right here, because this candle is strengthful buying coming. If you see any candle closing below this particular key level around this point, then it's better staying in Ethereum than to be exposed in Mr. Polkadot. But as far as we're holding this one right here, it's pretty good. You're better off holding Mr. Polkadot. Alright, I think this is pretty much it about today's video, and I think this is pretty much it about today's uploads as well. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see for the upcoming videos. And this was a pretty interesting Monday. Black Monday started happening yesterday itself on the weekly closing time frames, but well, pretty interesting and volatile moves. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, because that's gonna help this channel grow. That's gonna help this community grow, right? You want to be all right. I'm gonna ramble about this one on the next video. Bye for now.